Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we're going to go over how to set your phone, to pair a phone with your 2019 Kia Forte. You have either all menus you can go into, then you can hit phone, and you say, it tells us to turn the Bluetooth on in our device to search for that. So on your phone, you can hold the Bluetooth option and it's going to come up, and we've got the Kia motors here. I'm going to tap that to pair it. And we make sure that this passcode that they gave us matches the one that shows up on my phone. And then hit OK. Sure. So that'll set it that it auto connects anytime I get in the video in the car, and then you can also from the touchscreen you can use your phone. So I didn't want to download my my contacts, but you can use your phone, and then you can just dial your number that you want to call, hit the call button and make the phone call. And you can go back. So there was two ways. You can either hit the phone option, it'll pair a phone, or you can hit the phone one down here, and then it's still asking more questions, but I don't have my contacts here. So if we had another phone or something you want to add, you can add it right here. The same way. And then here, if we want to delete a device, say this is a car, your buddy's car or something you're borrowing, you can, gotta wait apparently. So if we're done using the vehicle, it's not my vehicle, I don't want to have all my information on here, you can just delete the device. You select it. If you had more than one device, you select which ones you want, and you can delete and hit yes, and that will delete your phone from your vehicle if you've sold the car, or if it's just a car you're using or borrowing. Then you can just go back to the home screen, and that's how you pair your Bluetooth device and or your phone to your 2019 Kia Forte. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.